Hello everyone, good evening from this very beautiful place. So yeah, look at this. I am right now standing on a rooftop. So this rooftop is not mine. This is not our rooftop. The rooftop is the owner of this house, and where I often come to practice my spoken English. And in this way, if you want to learn English as a beginner, you can start your spoken English journey. You will, whenever you will get your time, not only whenever you will get your time, you will manage your time to practice your spoken English. If you are staying at any kind of city at the time, you can use this kinds of rooftop to practice to improve your spoken English. So yeah, I know that you at least you have a cell phone. So by this cell phone you can improve your spoken English. Yeah, this is the thing that I wanted to share with you. Allah Hafiz.